At AI Ireland, we help companies go on an AI journey. Initially, we talk about people, where we upskill people to talk about using AI day to day to be better at their work. Simple prompting, simple workflows, allowing them to understand the benefits of AI day to day. On the process side is looking at the workflows. How do you start to augment, re-engineer, reimagine some of the workflows that you're using day to day for your business? The platforms. You may be using tools such as HubSpot, Notion, Salesforce, whatever it might be. How do you start to introduce that AI into your existing workflows that you're using? Proprietary data. We are fanatical about proprietary data at AI Ireland. We help companies look at the SOPs, FAQs, those customer data, deal shots, whatever it might be, and start to leverage that to introduce new products or services that you can sell externally. The blueprint has been based on hundreds if not thousands of companies that we've engaged with over the years, and this is an opportunity for you to step up and go on your AI journey. The call starting point would be an AI executive leadership run through. If you're available for that, we would go into more detail about what this journey would be.